Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. It is a grandiose day. You know what I'm saying? I think I was making a video last time, but it might have cut off because of memory and storage. Some bullcrap. But y'all know if it cuts off early, it's because of that. But I'm outside, man. You know, I wanted to talk to you guys about my mind, you know, has millions of downloads of just thoughts and whatnot just going through. I wanted to talk about this for the past, I guess, couple of days. I wanted to talk about being thorough. You know, there was this, I've talked about this before on our channel, is that there was this female, you know, this, heard. Okay, I was just looking in nature. But I heard there was this female, elderly female. She was at least like in her 80s or whatever. And I noticed she used to work this job. Like she worked this job and then she always be working. And sometimes like I see her carry stuff, but I would just go sprint to help her, you know, just carry stuff out of her car or whatever. She'd be like, no, I got it. And I just take it off her and I just carry it. And then even too, like she'll carry had some boxes or whatever. But she knows, like I was always telling her about our website, healingthroughinspiration.com, and I tell her how I was a health coach and I can help her heal better and stuff like just that. We got tons of content. We got, you know, 17 ways how to quit smoking, you know, stuff like that. And this is all free content too. This is free, you know. Not even including the stuff that we charge for, you know. But this is, you know, what can I say? I was just, and I was just telling her about our website, and this is the point I kept telling her. She's like, okay, I'm gonna check it, because she always would talk to me, like that. But I think one time she wouldn't. She was iffy. You know what? She was iffy. Like, but the thing is, it was like, she was mostly like sweet. You know what I'm saying? Always sweet to us and whatnot. And it was just like, I always would tell her about our site just to go check it out. And it was like for like over a year of us telling her, and she never checked it out. It was like still times where I was like, hey, I think she was outside. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna type it in on your phone, because I was like, I really wanted. It was like for the benefit of her. I was so, you know, this is when you try to help people so much. So, with that being said, I end up what they call it. I end up, you know, trying to help. And I think, like, and I think one time I saw her outside and she was, you know, I think we were talking about nature or something. And then she was like, oh yeah, she's a